All right, here's one of the alerts that I want to talk about with. I was doing a review of a client's credit reports and I saw this company's name listed as unpaid balance sold to Total Card Funding One or One LLC or ILLC. And what caught my attention on this is that if you've watched my other videos where I stated if they sell the account, then they sold it for less. That's what the credit card company has done. But when I went to do a review, because we had been working on this for a client, and I had noticed that, um, I wanted to just see what's going on because this company hasn't been responding, and the bureaus, for some reason, were not really doing what they were supposed to do. So what I had, did is I did a corporate search on this name, and this look at what I found is that it's actually inactive. So any disputes that the bureaus are choosing to keep on there are actually not verified by any furnisher. And that's why it's very important to continue doing the work because even with this is like direct proof that this company is not still in business and the bureaus are not doing their job. Because if they were to send the information directly to them, it would come off of the credit reports because they would not be responding because number one, they're out of business. And it even states here articles of charter surrendered. So everything is gone. It shows that people were removed from the company. I won't show their names because we don't need to do that. But um, and we submitted the information to the furnisher, but it would come back, and we would use that information to submit to the bureaus, and the bureaus were still continuing to just say that this information was updated. So number one, if you have any accounts that were charged off and purchased by this company, those would not be valid to stay on your credit reports. And then also you should look at the companies that have purchased any of the debts from original creditors that you have on your credit report so you can get that information removed, especially if they have become inactive because this company cannot even legally collect debt in any state if they're number one inactive and then they're not listed with the state as a licensed debt collector. So I want to make you aware of that. Please like this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Post your questions and comments. This is Stephen A. Williams, President and Founder, thecreditrepairshop.com.